In this video, we are going to talk about how to make money online. So before starting, please like this video, and subscribe to this channel for the future updates. What really is the truth? Making money online these days isn't always straightforward. It has become increasingly difficult to filter through all of the competitors and thousands of persons and stories competing for our attention on the internet, much alone locate legitimate avenues to generate some form of revenue via them. It's not an easy task by any means. Anyone who tells you otherwise isn't providing you the whole truth about the situation. To begin earning money from your online income-producing activities, you'll need to put in a significant amount of time and effort to build your authority in the field. However, there are a few straightforward strategies for earning a respectable sum of money in a short period of time. Here are the 10 ways to make money online. So let's start. Number 10. Create an app. Yes, this is far more difficult. Unless you have extensive app development experience, this will be a substantial undertaking. Apps, on the other hand, can be a tremendous source of passive income if they are developed properly. You can attract a significant number of mobile users if you develop a fantastic application. Like anything truly valuable, apps demand a significant investment of time and resources up front to be successful. It is vital to hire a professional to aid you in producing a terrific app if you do not have the requisite experience. However, first and foremost, you must develop a commercial notion. Conduct in-depth market research and analytics in order to develop the best app possible. Number 9. Sell audiobooks with Audible. Non-technological things such as music and film, for example, are better presented by audio and visual means. If you want to aid in book discovery, such as assessing whether or not the book should be released as an Audible's ACX platform expanded audiobook, make sure to include an e-book version in your plan. In order to locate a producer, there are two options. Either work under a royalty structure, in which case you accomplish the task and only get paid once the project is completed, or use hourly labor to compensate you for your services, as described above. Number 8. Build a blog. When it comes to producing money online, one of the most time-consuming activities is the creation of a website or blog. However, we are all aware of how tough it is to establish a blog with a genuine audience. An enormous amount of work must be put forth in order to accomplish this. And I can speak from personal experience on this subject. However, once you reach a certain point, the momentum and likelihood of success shift in your favor, making the process considerably simpler. A blog can easily generate tens of thousands to hundreds of thousands of dollars in revenue every month if it is managed properly. That much is unquestionable. Getting there, on the other hand, will be difficult. If you wait until a year from now, you'll be wishing you had started sooner. But why should you wait any longer? Number 7. Write and sell an ebook. If you have a passion for writing and are a master of the written word, you should think about publishing an ebook on your website. Publications that aid individuals in learning about a technical subject continue to sell well in the marketplace, despite the fact that the industry has become increasingly crowded over recent years. Although this strategy offers the possibility of earning a substantial quantity of passive income, it requires a significant amount of upfront labor before any money can be generated. Selling your ebooks through either Amazon's Kindle program or Apple's iTunes Connect are excellent options for small businesses because they both give you access to the vast majority of the digital book reading market and have relatively low entry barriers, making them excellent choices for startups and small businesses. To accomplish this, you will not need to invest a big amount of money, but you will be required to devote a substantial amount of time, not only to the creation of the ebooks, but also to the promotion and sales thereof. Number 6. Offer gigs on Fiverr. If you have technical knowledge in graphic design, accounting, social media marketing, web creation, or SEO training, you might offer gigs on Fiverr for as little as $5 per project, for example. A valuable service that you may upsell to improve the amount of money you make per gig could be something that you have. It is possible to sell a wide range of services and items through Fiverr, one of the most famous gig economy sites on the internet. Prepare yourself by doing your research and determining what you have to sell. Keep in mind, however, that success in this endeavor, like with any other money-making endeavor, will take time. Positive comments, on the other hand, will help you make more and more money as time goes on. Number 5. Sell professional services on Upwork or 99 Designs. Online marketplaces such as Upwork and 99 Designs are two of the most popular places to sell nearly any professional service. If you have a great deal of experience in a particular industry, you may consider listing your services on one of these pages to make some extra money. 99 Designs specializes solely in graphic design, whereas Upwork provides practically every other technical service imaginable. However, like with anything else, the beginning will be difficult to navigate. Unless you have a big track record and a large amount of feedback, it would be tough to acquire work on one of these very competitive platforms. Seek for the most influential people in your profession, and try to mimic their attitude and online presence as much as you possibly can. Number 4. Use Mechanical Turk. Mechanical Turk is Amazon's take on the microwork concept. It is known as HITs, or human intelligence tasks, and they are small chores that you can do for other people in exchange for a modest fee. These are extremely simple tasks that anyone may perform in a short period of time. For 1 cent, you could compile a list of URLs containing specific types of images, or for 6 cents, you could record a few sentences using a microphone and post them online. Even while hits aren't especially lucrative, if you string together hundreds of high-paying hits, you can generate some quick cash online if you're in a hurry. In addition, it's worth noting that you can engage people who have hits to assist you with any micro tasks you may have in your business. Number 3. Rent your home on Airbnb. Rent a whole house or just a single room on the popular online rental site Airbnb. It is quite basic and consistent in the short run, but it is really effective in terms of the money you may make. While you are unlikely to make a lot of money doing this, you can earn thousands of dollars per month if you work for a reputable organization. You will also have fantastic options if you live in a highly sought-after location such as the ones described before in this paragraph. But this means that there will be an error at some point. You will find it difficult to earn experience unless you deliver a high-quality service or are given the opportunity to refine your method over a long period of time. If you maintain a high standard and provide important services, the learning curve will become less steep. Number 2. Email marketing. Email marketing is at the heart of any successful internet marketing campaign. Email marketing is without a doubt the most effective method of earning money online for anyone who is serious about earning money online. It must, however, be carried out appropriately. Before you begin advertising to the people on your email list, double-check that they have subscribed and opted in directly to your communications. If you try to market to someone by email out of the blue, you will not have as much success as you would like. Your success rates will be significantly greater if folks who subscribe to your email list are intentionally and passionately interested in what you have to offer and have done so directly through your blog or website. Number 1. Work from your camper van, RV, as a virtual assistant. As a virtual assistant while traveling the world in a van, RV, you can provide whatever service you want at whatever price you want while living in a van, RV. The use of virtual assistants to aid bloggers and online businesses with their day-to-day operations is becoming increasingly popular. Their services range from organizing phone conversations to drafting emails, from monitoring someone's social media sites to developing graphic content, and everything in between. What do you think of our list? Which thing do you like most from above list? Let me know in the comment section below. If you enjoy this video and want to hear from me again, be sure to hit that subscribe button before you go. Thanks for watching.